Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, where we explore the wonders of food and the beautiful island of Jamaica. Let's start exploring. Welcome. Thank you. Me figure like now.
If time a man take you up, then you man take you up to 6.
So alright, how you do this now? Okay, everyone, look for the top of the coconut. Once you have found the top of the coconut, go ahead and just jam the top of the coconut into the sharp edge of the pickaxe. Try not to jam the center or the end of the coconut into the pickaxe because it doesn't have enough husk. Therefore, you could break your coconut. It's so easy as that.